Hello YouTube. Let's say you want to grab fully qualified domain name for specific domain. So what you need to do, we will use socket module, and the option from socket module which will be, well, guess what? Get fully qualified domain name. Really simple stuff. So check this out. If name is omitted or empty, it is interpreted as the local host. So you will get name of your local host. The rest of the things are really not important here because get FQDN will work in any case. So import socket, and we will print the result of that information, I mean operation, get fully qualified domain name. So let's first try this with without parameters. Let's save it as FQDN and let's run it. That's it. So my PC is a desktop PC, and let's provide some kind of value here. Now, of course, when you are passing data to functions, to methods, you will do that through strings. Let's run it. There you go. Here you have fully qualified domain name. We can actually do that right here. I mean, nothing special, this is really simple stuff. Cool. So let's grab user input, for example, a target. We will get it from keyboard, so enter domain to check. Something like that. And of course we need to substitute this string here with target. And let's save and run it. Now you don't need to, when you're providing input, you don't need to use strings here. That's what you do when you're using a script. But when you run script that will grab input through keyboard, then you don't need to type strings here. So let's run it again actually to see what kind of error we will have. Yeah, so it's not the error basically, but still you don't get useful data. Anyway, what else? Yeah, we can, if you are creating script, maybe you want to do that through, maybe you want to run it through terminal or command prompt. So let's clear screen, for example. To do that we need to import OS module. So OS system clear screen, and now when we run our script, nothing will happen here. There is no clear screen because we are in Python shell. Well, at least this right panel is that. Oh, what am I doing? But when you go to command prompt, then you will see that clearing screen. So Python, name of the script is FQDN, FQDN. Can't open file. What the? Why? What I was? FG. Yeah, error on my part, but you know, the thing will work anyway. So we have clearing screen here. Let's run it again with something that will look like header. FQDN, sorry, FQDN extractor version 0.1, something like that, and we will print some horizontal line times 79, and we are good. So let's again to command prompt and run our script. That's it. So that's it. I mean, really simple stuff. So anyway, thank you for watching, thank you for subscription, for support, and see you next tutorial.